It looks like butt cheeks.
Yeah, you've been staring at me.
So I have a jewelry haul for you today. So I got this from Facebook and it's a jewelry haul, so let's get to it. So with Facebook, you can go on Facebook Marketplace and get jewelry bundles, like mystery jewelry bundles or just like mystery jewelry jars. Let's start. Okay, I'm gonna start this. So you have this. Got this Native American like choker. Another one. I don't know why I insist on getting bangles for because there's no place to put them. Can I go higher up? I think appears a little too juicy for that. Okay, it's not too bad. Is it closing? Okay, there. It just can't move. It's like a gold. It's solid though. It's very, very solid. We have another bangle. Okay, this one isn't too bad. I actually like that. So it's not tight or anything. Yeah, I think it's, if I try to put it up here, it may be too tight. Yeah, that's not gonna work. Oh look, it's asymmetrical. That's pretty cool, I like that. Okay, then we have this. Slightly tarnished at the back, but I think I can remove those ones because I don't want a long necklace anyways. Let me try and get it on. I'm not impressed with this. No, I'm sorry. I'm not impressed with this at all. So I'm definitely going to take out the tarnished links and then hinging it back on to something else. But this, I don't like this at all. I'm going to put it on properly and see how I like it. Okay, this is it on. Okay, it's not too bad. But it would look cooler like this, wouldn't it? God, I can't see anything. Hold on. Which one do y'all think look better? Like here? Like remove it so it's like that? Or so it lays like that? Let me know. I can't get it off. No, I can't get it off. Oh. Got a lot of gold stuff. I feel like it will look better like this. Okay, this one definitely looks better like this, right? I think I'm gonna adjust it so it's like that. I think I like it better than that, but I guess you'll see. I don't have my tools to fix it now, so how would I fix it though? Okay, I may just leave it. Do not be afraid. It's not touching my skin. It's going through my stretch air. Okay? Okay, right? Not putting the other one. But these look cool. I like how these look. And it has like that design on it. Okay, I got 3 more bags to go through. I feel like I've seen this somewhere before. I need to Google this, but big chunky chain. I feel like I've seen this somewhere before. He looks absolutely terrified. I love this. I love this. He looks absolutely terrified. I need to research this. I feel like I've seen this somewhere before. This. So all the three of these came together. So it's like this, this, and this. I'm definitely not going to wear this one because it has blue in it. So I'm going to just use the beads for it. I can definitely see myself wearing this one. This one is okay. Guess I could use it for something. It's not my cup of tea. But maybe if I'm wearing brown, I may find something to go with it. This one is just absolutely hard. Okay, it's not that bad. It literally feels solid. It feels like good quality though. But I don't wear blue. I hate blue. Then we have this. This looks like a paparazzi piece. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get a heat gun. Heat it from the back and pop all these out. I don't know what I'm going to do after that, but I don't like turquoise. I don't like turquoise on me. It looks awful. Look at that. Look at that. No. So this is going to go into the fix it pile. This is pretty. I love this. This is so right up my alley. I just love things with coins in it. And I could put it as tight or as loose as I want it. A little longer. So you hang right there in between there and there. Yeah, love this. Oh, then we have this. This looks like a paparazzi piece as well. But I can use it as a headpiece because this looks like those 2012 statement pieces. I don't want it to touch my face because I still have more to go through, but you know, like how I wear those headpieces sometimes. I think this would. Oh, this. We're gonna keep this as a headpiece. Look. Can you see it? Can you see the vision? Okay, but I have to wash that before that's going on my face. Yeah. You see the little holes in it? That's freaking me out a little bit right there outside. It's freaking me out tiny little bit. Tiny little bit. But okay. It looks better down here rather than up here. Up here it makes it look confusing. So it's gonna have to be like down here if I wear this. Not the biggest fan of that. This looks just like the one that I just put back. Hopefully it's not the same thing. Okay. It looks similar to what I just pulled out. But this one looks more Y2K-ish. Statement 2000. This one looks more like what I would wear on a normal. See? It looks a little better. And I can still wear it as a headpiece too. These three bracelets. Just imagine my elbows aren't ashy. This one is smaller. Okay, not that small. This one doesn't open like the rest, so this is gonna have to go down here. Okay. So that's that one. And these are the other two. They're not sterling or anything. Hopefully they're stainless steel so that it doesn't tarnish on me. This one looks like it's starting to tarnish. Gold choker. I don't think it's a choker. So it would fit like this. Or I can tighten it and wear it like this. I got some good pieces. I got just like 2 or 3 things that I didn't like so far. I like this. I don't like the beads on it. So I'm going to pop off every single one of these colored beads. Like, why would they choose those 3 colors? Red, lime, and blue to go together. I can see that some of these jump rings are gonna need closing up because some are loose. This is how it will look on. Yeah, I'm gonna take off all these beads. I'm taking them off now. This is pretty. It's pretty. It's pretty. It's pretty. Oh my gosh, I love it like this. Oh! What do y'all think? I like it like this. It looks cool like that. If it stays. This one is pretty. I think this is my favorite thing. This and this. So far it's two of these. And one of the coins just dropped off. I think it's the one that I was pulling at really hard just now. Like earlier. You're just gonna stick that right back on. Yep. Sealed. Yeah, it's good now. So two of those are my favorites. Okay, so it has I don't know if that's a lion or a tiger, an elephant, a brown zebra, a giraffe, a rhinoceros, and I don't know what this is. It has spots, so it's supposed to be a leopard.
Lions and tigers and bears.
Oh my!
Lions and...
Ugh, did it touch my face? Can I make this into earrings? It's brown. It's just gonna mesh with my skin too much. I don't know if I like that. A poodle. It says something on it, but I can't make it out. But this is really pretty. I like the colors. Maybe I should have done this before. Let me just chuck all of my necklaces to the back so y'all can see it better, not be so distracted. I'm sorry. And we only have a couple more things. I should have done that from the beginning. It's very simple. Just probably like a buffer piece, you know what I mean? Let me show you this one without all the other extra stuff. See how nice that looks? Yeah. Yeah. Copper coin necklace on a ball chain. Is it the front or the back? There. It looks like butt cheeks, doesn't it?
Oh my god, it was in the tub, and now it's in my butt!
It looks like butt cheeks. You know it looks like butt cheeks. Okay, this last thing. This is pretty. By the way, you may think that half these things are ugly, but I have a different sense of style. I actually go out and I look for ugly things. I think this is very pretty. Like an ugly way. Wish it was sterling, with like brass or something in the center, because I would wear it every day. Okay. So I have to wash all those pieces, but I want to research this one. It feels solid and I feel like I've seen it before. Then I'm gonna take off the beads from this one. So I Google image searched it and this is what came up. The pin is $69. The necklace is 250 euros. It seems to be vintage and somebody had it for $17. I don't know if they didn't know the worth of it or that's a bootleg one, but this is what it is. Anyhow, bye. Hope you like my haul.